What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have a banger. We have the Foamposite 1 cough drops. Yay! This actually came right on time because I've been a little under the weather. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but I definitely need a cough drop right now. So these came right on time. We have the black Nike box. This is how they come wrapped. It has Nike with the swoosh on the paper. Again, make sure y'all paper and box looks like this. Make sure it comes with the black Nike box. This is how they look. When I first seen the pictures, I thought it was gonna be like black, but it kind of looks like a charcoal matte, kind of like grayish black looking color. And then we have the red, varsity red bottom. It's supposed to be like semi-translucent, I guess, but it doesn't look that translucent to me. It is black, but I don't know, maybe my eyes playing tricks on me or something. But we have, this is what the tongue looks like. We have like this red, we got a red line on the shoe. This is the back of the shoe. Again, this is the bottom. On the bottom, we have like these details on the bottom. I believe they're called like craters on the bottom. And then we have like nubuck right here near the laces. Then we have this different material right here. Then we have like this mesh material right here. I believe these they first dropped in like 2007, and then they dropped again in 2010, and now they're back in 2025. I honestly didn't know that they were dropping. I don't know if a lot of people knew or not. This is a pretty iconic shoe, so I feel like they probably should have had more hype around them. But Foamposites are dead. I heard a lot of people saying they don't really like the colorways now, but this is like an older iconic colorway. So I know later this year we have like the forest green, and then I think there's a white pair coming out. I'm not really sure of the name, but I know it's a few big ones coming out later this year. So hopefully people start buying more Foamposites again. A lot of people like Foamposites. I don't see why. This is not like a big topic of discussion right now, but like I said, Foamposites are dead. I did like the pair that came out. I did like the psychic blue Foamposites that came out. I really did like that colorway, but I don't think it sold too well. But I'm just surprised that people not talking about these cough drop Foamposites. I don't know how it fits or anything. I don't have a pair to really give y'all that insight, but I want to say a lot of people do say that like Foamposites are a little bit more like comfortable maybe, and you don't have to break them in too much, because I know back then Foamposites is known to be like an uncomfortable shoe. So I heard some people say that you still have to go to size up, but I've also heard some people say they do get their true size, so I'm not really too sure on that. Don't quote me on that. If y'all have any insight on that, let me know. I did forget to talk about this varsity red swoosh at the top. But yeah, these came out August 15th. I'm a little late to the review. The retail was $240 on them. So if they're still out here, I don't know if they sold out or not, but if y'all like these cough drop Foamposites, make sure y'all go and cop these. But this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're still on the road to 2K subscribers. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I'm the Maverick. I talk about shoes, and I just do reviews on them. But thank y'all for watching. Again, let me know what y'all think about the cough drop Foamposite.